2. Jane carries out a survey and she's asked 40 people to choose their favourite TV channels, and their answers are shown below. So we can see the answers in this table. Draw a vertical line graph to display Jane's data, and use the square grid on the opposite page. Right. Before we draw any graph, we have to collect the data. Now, when we collect data, we tend to collect it into what we call a tally chart. So we're going to draw a tally chart. Now, on the first row, we're going to have the channels. So here we're going to put the channels. Here we're going to put the tallies. And here we're going to put the frequencies. Okay, so the channels we have are BBC One, BBC Two, ITV One, Channel 5, and S4C. Plus, I've got my table a little bit big, but it doesn't matter. Now, there's various ways to do your tally charts. If it's me, I tend to go around and just make sure, as I put them on, I cross them off. So BBC One, mark a tally. S4C, mark a tally. ITV One, mark a tally. BBC One, Channel 5, ITV One, BBC Two, etc. I did this earlier, so I'm going to put mine in. I found there were 10 BBC One, there were 5 BBC Two, 12 ITV, 7 S4C, and 7 for Channel 5 and 6 for S4C. Remembering that we make the gate with for the 5th one for each of these. So now all we've got to do is we've got to display this information in a table. Now, it's asking you to do a vertical line graph. That means just draw straight lines up. So BBC One was 10, so we find 10 here and just draw a line from 10 down. And then BBC Two was 5, so find 5 on the line and draw your line down. ITV was 12, so go across till you get to 12. Draw your line down. S4C is 6. 6 S4C, draw your line down. And Channel 5 is 7. 7. Draw your line down. That would get you 4 marks. 2 for drawing these bars, these lines, sorry, and 2 for doing your tally chart. B says, how can you check that you've included all of Jane's data? Well, all you've got to do is look at them and go, well, if that's 10 and 5 and 12 and 6 and 7, if Jane's included all her data, when you add those together, they will make 40. So 10, add 5, add 12, add 6, add 7. 10 add 5 is 15. Add 10 is 25, plus 2 is 27. Add 6 is 33. Add 7 is 40. Okay. And what is the modal TV channel? So it's the one that mode means appears the most. Appears the most. So it's the one with the largest graph or largest bar. So ITV1.